Welcome. In this video, we'll cover how to close or cancel an Upwork job posting, focusing on the key differences between public and private postings. Understanding this process is crucial for managing your projects efficiently on Upwork. Closing a job ends the intake of proposals and marks the job as inactive. To close a public job posting on Upwork, which is visible to all freelancers, start by navigating to the Jobs section in your dashboard or mobile app. Step 1. Go to Jobs and select Manage Jobs from the drop-down menu. This is where you can view and manage all your active job postings. Step 2. From the list of jobs, select the active public job posting you want to close. On mobile, this appears in the Jobs tab with details like job title and status. Step 3. Once selected, choose the Close Job option. This will immediately stop accepting proposals and mark the job as inactive. Remember, once a public job is closed, it cannot be reopened. If you need to post a similar job, you'll have to create a new posting using the Post a Job button. Finally, Upwork automatically sends notifications to all applicants who submitted proposals, informing them that the job has been closed. Closing a private job posting follows similar steps to public ones, but with important advantages. Private postings are invite-only, letting you target specific freelancers for better matches. Navigate to Jobs, then Manage Jobs, select your private posting, and click Close Job. This stops the job and marks it as inactive. The key difference with private jobs is that closing doesn't affect your invitation history. You can reuse those lists for future postings, fostering ongoing collaborations with trusted freelancers. Here's how it looks in the Upwork interface. The dashboard shows job tracking, and the recruiter view highlights management options. The key differences in closing public versus private job postings on Upwork center around reusability and costs. Public job closures are permanent, requiring you to create an entirely new posting each time you want to reopen a similar opportunity. In contrast, private job closures allow you to archive and reuse your invitation lists, which saves significant time and effort, especially for recurring projects or when working with preferred freelancers. Additionally, public jobs require an upfront posting fee starting around $5, while private jobs have no initial fee, only a commission taken from the freelancer's earnings upon successful hire. Instead of immediately closing a job posting, consider pausing it as a flexible alternative. Upwork allows you to pause a job for up to 30 days, giving you time to address temporary issues without losing the posting entirely. This pause feature lets you temporarily halt a job posting for up to 30 days, during which proposals are suspended, but the job remains accessible for later reactivation. Pausing offers several advantages. It prevents you from incurring closure fees that you would pay if you closed the job instead. It also gives you the flexibility to repost strategically when conditions improve, such as after resolving budget constraints or clarifying project scope. During the pause period, you can use Upwork's messaging interface to keep freelancers informed about the temporary hold and expected timeline for reactivation. Before pausing, review your job posting details like required skills to ensure you're ready to resume when the time comes. In summary, pausing a job posting provides a practical alternative to closing, offering time to resolve issues while maintaining your posting's potential for future success. Upwork is embracing AI technology to revolutionize job posting management. The AI Freelancer Assistant now predicts optimal matches for public jobs, significantly reducing unnecessary closures caused by mismatches. This intelligent system analyzes job history and skills to connect clients with the best freelancers, improving matching accuracy and overall platform efficiency. Simultaneously, there's a growing trend toward private job postings on Upwork. With a 30% increase in recent years, clients are increasingly choosing private postings to target niche talent and work with vetted freelancers. Private postings result in faster hires, typically taking just 3 to 5 days compared to 7 to 14 days for public jobs. Upwork surveys also show 15% higher satisfaction scores for private hires, making them a preferred choice for quality-focused projects. Looking ahead, Upwork is poised to integrate AI even further, with predictions of AI-curated private invitations becoming standard by 2030. This evolution will blend the benefits of AI-driven matching with the efficiency of private postings, potentially reducing closure rates and enhancing the overall freelance experience. Common scenarios on Upwork often involve strategic transitions between public and private job postings to optimize hiring. For instance, a tech startup might post a public job for a software developer to explore a wide range of talent. After reviewing numerous proposals, they close the public posting and repost as private, inviting only the most qualified candidates to streamline the hiring process. Another common scenario involves a marketing agency facing budget cuts during a public job search for a graphic designer. They pause the posting temporarily, evaluate their needs, then close it permanently, and create a private posting to invite freelancers they've worked with successfully before. These real-world examples illustrate how Upwork's job posting flexibility helps clients navigate different situations, from budget changes to targeted hiring needs. Expert tips for managing job postings on Upwork include clear communication, transparency, strategic use of posting types, proactive management, and staying updated with platform policies. First, communicate clearly to avoid freelancer disappointment. Explain your reasons for closing the job posting during the process. Second, be transparent about the reasons for closing the job. Honest communication helps maintain positive relationships. Third, consider private postings for quality hires. They allow targeted invitations to specific freelancers. Fourth, use public postings for initial exploration. They help discover a wide range of freelancers. Fifth, remember that proactively managing your job postings maintains trust on the platform and leads to better results. Finally, always verify details on Upwork's official site, as platform policies and features may change over time.